I'm Daniel Volan. I came to Queensborough Community College in 2023 as a bartender and left in 2025 as Salutatorian. And now I'm a software engineer. I work with databases a lot. I build out features to deploy to production for customer-facing websites. Queensborough Community College stands out because the professors care about the individual students. I came here as a bartender and then COVID happened. So I needed to rethink things. I was looking for something more stable in a career. And I knew when I came back that I was going to give it everything I had. And then I heard about this tech apprenticeship program and I realized I was on track for it. So I just kept up with that. When I came back, I was pretty clueless in many ways. Resumes for bartenders, very different than a resume for someone that works in tech. This campus has a RISE program, and the mentors there, they helped me. They had skills-based workshops like resume building, interview prep. They prepared me for these interviews that I would soon get with these tech companies. All you had to do was ask, and someone would help you. They would point you in the right direction. I think when all the interviews came in with all the tech companies, I started to realize I might be on the right track here. I thought it would just be one internship, put it on my resume and move on. But no, it blossomed into something even bigger than I could imagine. I am now currently a full-time software engineer. I put it off for many years going back to school. Give it your best shot. See what happens. It's worth it. Get up and do it. Stop making excuses.